Hello, in front of me I've got Dark Project Midnight. In this video I'll show you how to create and manage macro. In the beginning, make sure to connect your keyboard to PC and go to Software Dark Project EU. Next go to Macro, Record and Record Macro. Also you can select Action, Insert, Key Press Release and Delay Time. Once it's done, stop recording and confirm. Next, to assign it, let's go to Assignment, select Button and select Macro. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.